Hello everyone. Etia aji 16th of September 2024. So ami aji etia Bishkek moi students or group to loi goi asu. Iate amar Kyrgyz State Medical Academy students ase aru apunar International High School of Medicine students ase. Apunar moi eta flight khon amar take off hobo aru apuna sabo pare. Iate amar charter flight hoy.